Of 10 counts. That's the verdict for a man on trial for shooting a Warren County deputy as well as his own father. Local 12's Larry Davis was in the courtroom. He joins us now live with reaction. Larry?
Hi, Brad. Well, the first time Mohammed Laghaoui appeared in court last year, he exhibited some pretty bizarre behavior. He talked out of turn, told the judge the charges were not accurate. But throughout the trial, and even today when he was convicted, Laghaoui barely moved and barely spoke. On the flip side, there were hugs all around for Deputy Katie Barnes, who today is going back to work after being shot and wounded. Wearing handcuffs and shackles, Mohammed Laghaoui showed no emotion as the judge read the verdict for the most serious charge.
We, the jury, being duly impaneled, sworn, or affirmed, find the defendant, Mohammed Laghaoui, guilty of the attempted aggravated murder of Deputy Barnes as he stands charged in the indictment.
Warren County Sheriff Larry Sims was seated next to Deputy Katie Barnes as the judge read the verdict, guilty on 9 of 10 counts.
It was a relief to a large degree. I could feel that from her as well. She's just continued to get stronger and stronger through these last 10 months.
Laghaoui was tried for the June shootings and woundings of Deputy Barnes and Laghaoui's father at a Landon apartment complex. The deputy was shot in the abdomen, just below her protective vest. During the trial, the defense claimed Laghaoui was mentally ill and acted in self-defense, but the jurors refuted those claims.
I think for them there was a level of sympathy for the defendant because there was a belief that there was some level of mental health issue there, but they did not believe that it rose to the level of being not guilty by reason of insanity.
As he was throughout the trial, Laghaoui showed no emotion and said nothing as he was led back to the jail. Meanwhile, the sheriff spoke of a deputy's courage.
And as a member of the Warren County Sheriff's Office, we've seen her strength and her character come out as a result of this. And we're very, very proud to say that she is back, full duty, representing the Warren County Sheriff's Office again.
Brad, an emotional Sheriff Larry Sims there talking about Deputy Katie Barnes, who showed a lot of toughness when she took the witness stand and testified about the night she was shot. But today, she's back on the job, back on patrol. Live in Lebanon, Larry Davis, Local 12 News. Brad, back to you.
Larry, thanks so much. Laghaoui remains in the Warren County Jail without bond. He could get up to 40 years in prison when he is sentenced next month.
I'll call Ryan.